Hello plant lovers, and welcome back to the Lawn and Garden channel. Today, we're diving into the world of reviving neglected houseplants. If you've ever come home to find your green friends looking a little worse for wear, don't worry. We've got you covered with some essential tips to bring them back to life. Please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. The first step in reviving a neglected houseplant is to assess the damage. Look for signs of neglect such as yellowing leaves, wilting, or pest infestations. For example, take a look at this sad-looking fern. It's droopy, and its leaves are turning brown at the edges, indicating it's been underwatered. Once you've assessed the damage, it's essential to determine the specific needs of your plant. Different plants have different requirements for water, sunlight, and care. For instance, these succulents here prefer bright, indirect light and infrequent watering, while this tropical plant thrives in high humidity and consistent moisture. Next up, it's time to give your plant a little haircut. Pruning away dead or damaged leaves and stems not only improves the plant's appearance, but also promotes new growth. Be sure to use clean, sharp scissors or pruning shears to prevent further damage. If your neglected plant is root-bound or has outgrown its pot, it may benefit from repotting. Choose a pot that's slightly larger than the current one and use fresh, well-draining potting mix. Gently loosen the roots and place the plant in its new home, then water thoroughly. Finally, to prevent your houseplants from falling into neglect again, create a care routine that works for you and your plants. Set a schedule for watering, fertilizing, and pruning, and stick to it. You can even use reminders on your phone or calendar to help you stay on track. And there you have it, folks. With these tips, you can revive even the most neglected houseplants and turn your home into a lush oasis. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Lawn and Garden channel for more plant care tips. Happy gardening!